So what's up guys, it's your boy Dwayne Howell and we are back again. So for today's video guys, we will make up-down counter using Multisim. So ano pa hinihintay natin? Gawin na natin. Let's get it! So let's start. So this is the components that we're gonna use. So power supply, 5 volts, SPDT switch, ground, digital clock, and our IC 74LS192N, and our LEDs. So let's start. So our power supply is connected to the positive side of our switch and the negative side is connected to our ground. And for our middle pin of our switch, it is connected to the load or 14 pin, I guess. So the CLR is connected to the ground and the up pin is connected to the our digital clock and the down pin is connected to our power supply and the ground, of course, connected to the ground. So for our next step, BCC is connected to our power supply, of course. And for our next step, QD is connected to LED number 1. QC is connected to LED number 2. QB is connected to LED number 3. And QA is connected to LED number 4. And our BD or 13 pin is connected to LED number 5, and for our LED number 6, it is connected to pin number 12. And we will connect it to the ground, the negative side of our LED. So that's the last step of our up-down counter. So we are done on our circuit, guys. So let's run our circuit and let's see what will happen to our output. So I'm gonna run it now. So as you can see, guys, our switch is on off and our LED 5 and 6 is on high logic or on. So let's try to switch on our switch and let's see what will happen. So as you can see, guys, LED 1, 2, 3, 4, and lastly the LED 6 is on high and low logic. So they are blinking on and off, and our LED 5 is still on high logic. So the LED 6 blinks slower than the other LEDs. So I'm gonna switch off again, and I'm gonna cut the line on digital clock and let's see what will happen to the counting. So let's run. So as you can see, guys, our switch is on off and our LED 5 and 6 is still on high logic. So let's switch on. So as you can see, guys, LED 1, 2, 3, and 4 is on low logic because the digital clock is disconnected. So let's try the down counter. So I'm gonna switch it to digital clock and the up is on our BCC. So let's see what will happen, guys. So I'm gonna play it now. So as you can see, guys, our switch is on, off, and our LED 5 is blinking on and off, and our LED 6 is on high logic. So I'll switch on the switch and let's see what will happen. So as you can see, guys, LED 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4 is blinking on and off, as well as the LED 5, but it is slower than the other LEDs. So that's the up-down counter, guys. I hope you learned something today. So